muscular. Tapos pag may tear or may punit po, it actually causes more pain. Kaya hirap yung mga patients mag-bend ng knee. It's not all the time yung pain. Sometimes on and off po yung pain nito. Ina-explain ko dati na yung pain ng meniscus on and off dahil sometimes, gaya ng papel na to, yung meniscus niyo po nagde-displace. Ibig sabihin masakit pag nakaganon pero bumabalik po sila. Pag bumabalik, hindi masyadong masakit. So patients really don't like to go to the doctor. Punta muna sa albularyo or sa hilot. Tapos hinihilot-hilot, hinihimas-himas yung tuhod. I have patients who get infected, hindi naman gumaling, but later, nag-worsen po yung punit ng meniscus po. It becomes worse to the point na hindi na nila kayang matiis. Diyan na po yung time na pumupunta yung mga patients sa doctor. So my advice is really seek consult early po. Tapos if you have a knee specialist in your area, seek a advice from a friendly hip or knee specialist pag may problema po kayo. We have, of course, other causes ng knee pain po. Explain ko kanina yung mga ligaments po. Pag pinipisil niyo po dito sa inner side ng knee, merong malaking ligament dyan. And this is not usually arthritis. Ligaments that are injured can sometimes be treated with yung braces po. Braces na may metal sa gilid. That is something that you can get online that might actually work if yun po yung pain nyo. Pain in the side sa knee na pupunta dito sa baba. The other day, may patient ako paika-ika na siya galing Bohol. So we have patients from Bohol. She really, I have to respect her na nagpunta talaga siya ng Cebu because she was really in pain. She was offered already yung tinatawag na knee replacement, no? Dahil sobra na yung arthritis niya. And I'm not saying na it's going to cure your knee, yung mga knee braces, but it can help and make your pain less. So for patients who severe na talaga na knee pain from meniscus or from osteoarthritis, if the pain is caused by pain in bending, meron tayong major procedure at saka minor procedure. Yung minor procedure is yung keyhole procedure. May camera na pumupunta sa tuhod, nililinis yung mga punit or yung mga tears sa meniscus para naman matukli natin. I'll be sharing a video of a patient who is very happy next Monday po about meniscus. She had her meniscus done a few months ago and she's very happy and walking na po. So I'm really happy for that patient. So happy that I'm sharing a video of her next Monday. Tapos po, that is the minor procedure. So dalawa yung procedures na ginagawa ko